Hey guys, my name's Carissa. This is my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna vlog our day.
That's pretty accurate.
It is spring. It's 70 degrees outside. Everything's still dead. It's still pretty brown outside, but it's 70 degrees. So Jay and I are going to go lay in the sun somewhere. We woke up this morning, we went and got breakfast, we worked for a little bit, and now we are going to go out and adventure and play in the sun and try to tan our legs because we're both like wildly pale. Feel free. We came out to, where are we? A lake. There's literally like nobody out here, and so we decided to set up a blanket. Oh, a baby! It's beautiful out here. Everything's still dead, but it's gorgeous outside. I feel like the UV, or what's it called, the ozone?
I don't know, baby. I don't know science.
I feel like the ozone warning can't be that high right now. Are you touching my titty in this video?
No. I'm wholesome.
Is that my hair?
Yeah.
You don't want to keep it?
I love you.
Look at this.
Oh, did you crimp it?
Rude. Jay and I are going to pick up my niece and get some supplies to plant some stuff today. To make some pepper plants. I think we're gonna plant some pepper plants, maybe some other cute plants. I really want a cactus. Hopefully we're gonna get some cute pots and other fun stuff. Yeah, we're gonna go to Home Depot and do that with my niece and plant a bunch of stuff. Could not look more gay with those aviators on. Okay, so before we go to pick up the baby, we are taking this baby, Patty, to daycare. Look at my nose, you guys. It's flaking because I got a chemical peel.
You missed Patty giving me a kiss.
Was it adorable?
It was. Distracted by your own face.
Do we go daycare?
Hi. Oh, kiss me. Yeah.
Beanie, what'd you just ask me about my car?
Messy.
Yeah, why is it messy?
Because you're a trash girl.
Yep, that's right. I'm a trash girl. Look who we found in Home Depot. And a dada. And a baby. Hey, baby.
Coco, can you do Coco?
Yeah.
Mom Mel's car.
This is Mom Mel's?
Yep.
Okay. Our little plant helper has left us. She has abandoned us to go play the ukulele with Nat. We are planting on our own. We got this like prickly pear that I'm super excited about. I'm replanting this aloe plant. Francesca really wanted to get these little flowers to give her dad. We also planted some strawberries over there. Most of what we're planting today is like all gonna go in pots because I have a big sunroom that I wanna do that I wanna start things in, and then I'm gonna move them out to the garden later on.
And I have never gardened before. I've never planted things.
You're doing great.
And here I am. I'm dirty. I am
You are
vegan.
so dirty. You are vegan.
I'm one with the earth.
You are. What we're doing. Oh my God.
Do you hate me?
When I was doing this, it said, no bug eyes.
It's my birthday. I did it. I made it to 33. 33.
Blocking your face when you say it.
I'm 33. I'm a granny.
You're a hot old granny.
Thanks. So this year, what should my goal be?
Love Jay.
So hard. Give me a different goal.
Anything work related?
I have to work this year? I'm 33. When do I retire? This year, I want to go back to therapy. It's a good one. I also want to start thinking more about what my career will look like long term. I also want to start saving money.
Ooh,
Oh.
what a concept.
I would like to start pretending like I'm gonna live past 40. Maybe plan for that. Here's to 33. I did it. I made it. You gonna hang out with me for another year?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Jay's feet don't touch the ground. Oh yeah, we're at brunch. Let me see you squid your egg. Yes, baby. That was fucking delicious.
Oh, that's delish.
You wanna go to an antique shop?
I would love nothing more.
Really?
Yeah,
Are you being honest?
I am.
Let's do this. But the reason I like to go there is because the whole front room is windows.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
On this gorgeous day.
Yeah, I mean, it'd probably be nicer on a sunny day.
That's fine. We have our love to illuminate the sky.
Baby, romance.
The romance.
Oh. You say such sweet things to me when we're by ourselves, and every time the camera turns on, you say things like, I love blossom.
You don't think that's also sweet?
That's just not what you would usually say.
What would I say?
You would say something like, baby, I want to grow old with you. I want to spend every birthday for the rest of my life with you.
Listen, I did say that this morning.
But then the camera turns on and you're like, our love's illuminate. Definitely propose to me with no one around.
Listen.
Blossom.
Well, now you're just rude.
Are you gonna sing to me?
No. Why do you do
Are
this?
you gonna sing to me?
Why do you do this?
Are you gonna sing to me?
Why? It's blocking my face.
Yeah.
Day, Miss President. Happy birthday.
That's a good thing. We didn't go to the antique shops because they're all closed.
Because it's Sunday and they're at church.
So we're taking a nap instead. That's what I decided I want for my birthday.
Wow, great. Can't wait to sit here on my phone.
We're having cake and dinner at my folks' house
What if
for my
that was the
birthday.
truth?
It was such good cake.
Rambo's hit no call. Like how many times does the announcer have to say that?
Who's this?
Jayhawker's hit no call.
Oh my goodness.
Like it's one thing. Alright, here we go. Stop.
Show Jay you can go.
We got home from my birthday last night and we watched some show about Colts. What's it called? Wild Wild Country? Are you guys watching that? I really, really like it. It's like wild, wild country. We watched that show and my little family birthday party was lovely. And then, you know, we went to bed at like 2 a.m. because we were party people last night. Also, we got in a fight. But today we are in the office and working, and I think this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I don't think much else is gonna happen. I think I'm gonna try to get this up on a Tuesday. I know some of you guys have already seen this on my Instagram, but we do have some kind of bad news. In the video when we were introducing Jay, we had a small nuisance pooping behind us the entire time. His name was Popcorn, and Popcorn passed away this last week. He got very sick kind of suddenly, and he had diabetes, so it was hard to get him to a place where he could heal, and he just deteriorated really, really quickly, and so we had to put him down. Huge bummer, and I'm sorry that you guys did not get to meet him because he was a very good boy. I'm gonna put some video of him as a end of this video because I love him and I still want you guys to get to meet him even though he's not with us anymore. And I'm not gonna cry, I'm just gonna end this vlog now. Okay, you end it. Say bye, say it, like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, like all the things. Go check out comfyfat.com.
Hey, some promo. That was good,
And
BB.
Comfy Fat Travels on Instagram, and use the hashtag ComfyFat on Instagram so that I can repost you.
Baby, you are so good at this. Holy shit. Okay, guys, I love you. We will see you next time. Have a wonderful week. And yeah, that's it. Bye. Say bye, baby.
Bye.
I'm going. Yeah. Good morning, Popcorn. What do you think about Kansas? Do you love it? Do you love it? Good morning, baby. Good morning.